So I'll be showing you how to unhide or how to show your caller ID on a Samsung Galaxy S24. I'm using the Ultra, but this works on all the Galaxy S24s. So go to the phone app and then make sure you have keypad selected, and you can actually see your keypad there. And then tap on the three dot button in the top right corner. And from the little menu that pops up, select settings. And that will take you to the call settings page. Now from here, you want to look for supplementary services. Tap on that and it's going to check your supplementary services. Okay, and then choose, or rather tap on show your caller ID, and you can see the three options. So you have network default, you have never, and always. So if your caller ID is not showing and other people are telling you that your caller ID is not showing and it's set to default, it means then your network is hiding your caller ID and you want to set it as always. But for some people, the network default is usually showing the caller ID, so you can either choose network default or always if you want to unhide your caller ID. Now, if you have a dual SIM Galaxy S24, you can do this for either the first SIM card or the other SIM card. Okay, so you have two sections for the two different SIM cards if you have a dual SIM Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.